The lesson was really immersive. Just from a design perspective, the UI was really clean, the music was cool, the production value was high, so all those things made it into a really great lesson.
I'm pretty versed in the chat box myself, using ChatGPT, but it was really interesting hearing how the students didn't really know much about it, and then at the end, they had a better understanding and said that they would be able to utilize it more.
I liked everything. This one was more organized and more like step by step.
What I liked about the lesson is I learned what chatbot is and how it works.
What I liked about the lesson was how it provides information about anything that you need to learn on.
What I learned today is that using ChatGPT does not give accurate information, and don't use it for your work because sometimes it doesn't give you the right answer.
One thing I learned that you cannot always trust everything the internet gives you.
You just got to be careful to not use false information.
Once the lesson was over, you could see that some things had connected. And then the part about false information versus true information, that part was kind of eye-opening to try to guess and see what was true, what was false. So that part probably stuck out to me the most.
What I liked about the lesson was the way the students engaged in it. They paid attention, they were not distracted. I think we need more emotional intelligence. I think if we can do a lot more of that, it'll be more impactful for the community in general.